phonic sound of E. Read aloud. Bell, hen, key, jet, net, bed. Double E-T. T-W plus E-E-T equals tweet. G-R plus E-E-T, greet. S-H plus E-E-T, sheet. F plus E-E-T, feet. S-W plus E-E-T, sweet. B plus E-E-T, beat. F-L plus E-E-T, fleet. M plus E-E-T, meet. Read and learn. Net, pet, wet, jet, bet, hen, fen, pen, den, men. When, bend, then, smell, check. Egg, ear, eye, engine, eagle. Read and learn. I have a toothbrush, neat and clean, to brush my teeth every day. You have seen. I brush them every morning. I brush them every night. They all are shining, clean and bright.